What is up, everybody? Jim Romick here from the Internal Roots Movement. Welcome back. So lately we've been doing a lot of med ball stuff. I know, it's for a reason. We're learning bits and pieces of the med ball, not the med ball itself, but movements on the med ball, so we can start tying them together into different flows and routines later. So we're going to be doing quite a few of these, so hang in there, I promise it's going to go somewhere. Anyway, just recently we did something called a mountain climber to a knee ride progression, or knee ride mountain climber, something like that, a couple of videos ago. I'll put the link down below, just in case you need to watch it. So this is going to be kind of continuation of that, another variation of that. So if you want to watch that video first, it'll help you out. Then this one will make a little more sense. You can get right to the action. Sound good? Perfect. Let's do this. All right, y'all. So let's embark on that knee ride again. We need to skip the whole mountain climber part because we watched the other video. We're already there. We're gonna have that ball at the hips. Sounds funny, but yeah. Ball right at the hips, giving it position, cheeks tight, thighs rotate out, lock those knees, magnificent. Pull that chest towards the ball, face away from the ball. Now, we're gonna go ahead and hover the left, pull the left knee up over the ball, rotate the right leg, heel I should say, down towards the floor. Whew. Notice as you rotate the heel down, your body try to sink to the left. Don't let it. We've got that shin and knee hovering still. Now the inside edge of that back foot is down. Let's drive our shin through the ball and keep the hands down just for now. Pushing through that ball into the earth and squeezing the ground with that back heel and forefoot, that inside edge. Pull that chin back, pull that chest through. Try to find that posture while we're there. Give yourself a little angle too so you're not hyperextending that lower back. All right, now the inside edge of the foot stays down on that back side before we hover the shin and knee on front. Then let's rotate that foot up in the back, drive through your left, plant it down, hover the right, pull the right knee and shin over the med ball. Now let's rotate that left heel down towards the floor on the inside edge, keeping the right shin hovered. Ooh. Now press your shin and knee through the ball. Let's go and keep the hands down for now. Trying to keep the hips curling under. Squeezing the ground between the med ball and your back foot, lengthening out that spine. Nice. All right. Let's go ahead and hover that front shin. Let's make sure that heel and that forefoot are firmly pressed into that earth behind us. Now let's rotate onto the forefoot and big toe. Kick back through the heel, press it on down. Now hover that left leg again, pull that left knee up. Let's rotate the right heel down, left knee still hovering. Press the left shin through the ball. Now let's go ahead and pull your elbows up towards the hips. A little more stable in this position. Now let's go ahead and point your front foot. So later, in case you want to transfer across or you're sitting on somebody's belly or ribs, you can slide across them a lot easier. You can keep your hook if you want, that has advantages too, or you can point. Play around both, why not? Plant the hands down, hover the shin in front, rotate that rear leg back into position, push back through your left heel, hover the right leg, pull the right knee up, rotate, left heel towards the floor, press right shin down. Let's go ahead and pull elbows towards the hips, pressing your hips down to the ball, but squeezing the ground in between the med ball and that back leg. Spine long, chest through. Beautiful. Oh, don't forget that foot point on that front side if you wanted to. Yeah. Feel the changes that makes. And it's gonna happen, or it's gonna do something later. Promise to God. So play with that foot thing for now in the front. Get used to that, because that opens up for a lot of possibilities. Anyway, let's stop talking now. Plant those hands down. Let's hover that front shin. Let's rotate that rear leg back into position. Kick through that right heel, plant it back down. One more. What the hell, why not? You really want to get to know it. So let's do one more. Left leg pulls up, right leg rotates out. Plant the left shin down. Pull elbows to hips. Press back to the ball with those palms. Let's hover the left knee, rotate the right leg back in position. Kick the left heel back. Right knee comes on up the middle. Left leg rotates out, heel down. Press the right shin into the ball. Pull elbows back. Feel that stable base you got going there. Nice and heavy like. Drive down to that ball again with those palms. Hover that right knee and shin. Let's rotate that left hip forward, left leg forward, whatever you want to call it, and press back that right heel, plant it on down, keep the hips not giving it position, bite down those undies, and let's pull our knees back to the ground. Because, we're done for the moment. Killer work with that medicine ball, everybody. Super stoked you joined me today. Hopefully you had a little bit of fun sweating, shaking, and learning how to get really, really heavy and really, really comfortable on top of a shifting mass. And if you're someone that grapples or rolls or, spars and whatnot, and you like rolling around with people, hopefully you can see the benefit and how this can translate into rolling around with somebody who is essentially a shifting mass beneath you. However, they are alive and the medicine ball isn't. But still kind of the same concept. That thing doesn't want you on top of it, and you want to be on top of it. So it's definitely gonna try to buck you off a little bit. Have fun rolling around on it, have fun getting comfortable, and stay tuned for the next videos coming out. So we'll tie a bunch of these together into a bunch of different flows. So hang in there, I promise, this is all gonna do something eventually. All right, buddy, click on stuff, like, share, subscribe. If not, no worries. I will just catch you next time. Thanks, y'all. Take care.